Students, now we are going to learn about Windows 7. As we know, a computer cannot work in its own. It needs some instructions to do a particular task. A set of instructions is called software. An operating system is the most important software that makes the computer to operate. Windows 7 is one of the operating system. It is a graphical user interface operating system because it provides menus, icons, buttons, dialog box, etc. to interact with the computer easily. Windows 7 was released by Microsoft in 2009. It is mainly used in home and business desktops. Starting Windows. When you switch on the computer, it starts loading the operating system. This process is known as booting. After the operating system, the first thing that you see on the monitor is the desktop. See, this is the desktop. This is the place where you can keep useful items or easily accessible. Taskbar. This is present at the bottom of the desktop. It has three main sections: Start button, taskbar buttons, and notification area. Start button, which is the main menu for the navigation. It consists of all files, folders, and programs. The next one is taskbar button. This button presents the programs that are commonly used or that are currently opened. The taskbar button of the active program is always highlighted. At the right corner there is a notification area. This notification area has a clock that tells the system date and time. Next one, thumbnails. This is thumbnail. Thumbnail means when you place the mouse pointer over the button on the taskbar, a small preview of the open window appears over the taskbar. This preview is called a thumbnail. To close the thumbnail, you have to click the close button. Icon. This is icon. Icon is a small picture that points to a specific program, folder, or document. Each icon has an associated program. To open the program, double-click the icon. Now, the required program will open on the screen. To select the icon, you have to click on the icon. Now, a square-shaped box surrounds the icon. Now, the icon gets selected. If you want to deselect the icon means you have to move the mouse pointer away from the icon and click. The surrounding box disappears. Moving the icon. If you want to move the icon from one place to another, you have to position the mouse pointer over the icon. Click and drag the icon to a new location. Now release the mouse button. The icon gets moved into a new location. Arranging the icon. If you want to arrange the icon by order, you have to right click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears just like this. Select the sort by option. Now see, there is one submenu is appearing. In that submenu, you have to select name or size or the item type or date modified. The icons are arranged according to the selected option. This is gadget window. Gadget means a gadget are the mini programs that provide quick access to information and frequently used tools. If you want to apply any one of the gadget on the screen, you have to right click anywhere on the desktop. Now a menu will appear. In that you have to select gadget option. Now gadget window will display on the screen. Here this is the gadget window. You have to select the calendar option to apply the calendar on the desktop. If you want to remove the gadget from the desktop, right click the gadget and select the close gadget. Now the gadget disappears. Changing the desktop background. If you want to change the background means just you have to right click anywhere on the desktop. A submenu will appear on the screen. In this option you have to select the personalize button. When you click on the personalize button, one window will appear. In this window, under the arrow themes option, you have to select any one of the background. Just select any one of the background. See, now the wallpaper get changed on the desktop. Next, how to change the screensaver. Screensaver means it is an animated image which is displayed on the monitor if the computer is left idle for some time. If you want to apply the screensaver, just right click anywhere on the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. In that you have to click the personalize option. Click the screensaver option. The screensaver settings dialog box appears. Select the desired screensaver from the screensaver drop down box. Click the preview button to see the full screen preview. Finally, you have to click the apply button. After that, OK button. Now the screensaver applied on the desktop.